Thankfully, we're not talking about tsunamis or anything, just waves of storms as we move just in the next day. 3 waves expected in the next 24 hours alone, and that doesn't even count then as we head into your Thursday, your Saturday. We've already seen, as I mentioned, a couple showers and thunderstorms this morning, this afternoon. Those are long gone, and we're starting to see the next round for this evening. These are moving in from Indiana into western Ohio, trying to creep into our viewing area already. These storms have a history of producing severe weather, so we definitely want you to be aware for the next few hours. So as I mentioned, 3 waves in just the next day. This evening is the first round. Those look to be pretty widely scattered. Overnight into Wednesday morning, coming from the north. How far south they drop, still a little bit of a question mark, unfortunately. Then how the morning round unfolds will dictate the afternoon round, but it looks like we'll bring in another line of showers and storms that will try to be strong or severe. So this is what we're watching right now. These storms that are crossing over the state line that have been severe, they're currently seeing some severe thunderstorm warnings associated with them. If they continue to track towards our neck of the woods, impacting more of our southern communities, but what I'm going to be monitoring over the next 3-4 hours is how strong will they stay. In the meantime, Wisconsin, Illinois, out towards Iowa, just getting rocked right now. The entire line is flashing with severe thunderstorm warnings, flash floods, tornado warnings, tons of lightning, 4,000 lightning strikes. That atmosphere out there was just ready to rumble. And as we move throughout this evening, as I mentioned, notice here widely scattered showers and storms that could be strong or severe possible for a few hours, basically now until about 10, 11 o'clock. Then it's watching that next round that's trying to come from the north here behind the banner. So here we are at 1 a.m. and we're going to be watching that round trying to drop to the south, bringing potentially some strong wind gusts, some heavy rain. But notice here that it doesn't pull all the way through our viewing area. How much rain we get in the morning will set the stage for that next round in the afternoon and evening on Wednesday. Because if we don't see as much rain, if it's not as widespread, the likelihood of this round that pushes through in the middle of the day, in the heat of the day, when we have the most ingredients to work with, more likely to be severe in about 24 hours from now, a little less, more like 20 hours. But that's what we're going to have to watch. And if it's reversed, where it's a super soaker morning, everyone's wet, there's not really even a break between rounds, then that round in the afternoon will not be able to get as strong. So we are going to kind of just wait and see, unfortunately, again. Rounds of storms then continue into Thursday, too. We have a severe risk posted today, this evening, for tomorrow, and also on Thursday. And temperatures are warm. That's something that's consistent for a couple of days, which is a welcome change. It's wet and mild. And even tonight, look at these low temperatures. Very warm, above average for even the middle of the afternoon in the middle of April. It will continue to be mild at midnight, but storms are possible. This is especially true the more north and west that you live. Into tomorrow could be a wet start for some of us. And then in the afternoon, we'll have to be watching for those storms that try to push through in the heart of the day, right in the middle of the afternoon. So we want you to be weather aware for the next several days, and that includes Saturday. In the afternoon and evening, seeing 80 degrees looks fantastic, but it comes with another round of showers and thunderstorms. The only day that's really perfect is Friday. Pick of the week, 70 degrees. We're looking dry because after the storms move through on Saturday, much cooler on Sunday.